There's a fire! Get up! There's a fire!
Why would you fucking do something like that?
Walk me through it. What were you thinking about?
Oh my god. I wanted to kill him. And what am I going to do with my cat? Where am I going with my cat?
But what set the house on fire in your head? What was the cause?
I don't know. A cigarette. Oh, Jesus.
I know. Eddie, that wasn't nice. But hey, you don't think it's safe to have a good fire drill every now and then? How else am I supposed to keep her on her toes? Hello?
We close our eyes and